Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your data is safe. Backup saves to the cloud or an external drive because a reset removes local content. Once done, sign out of accounts and note your Xbox login. To begin the actual process, power cycle the console by holding the front button for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. This makes sure the system starts clean. Then power it back on and head straight to settings to begin the factory reset sequence. You now navigate to Settings, then System, and open Console Info to select Reset Console. This is where you choose how deep the reset goes. Choose Reset and keep My Games and Apps if you want to preserve installs but clear accounts and settings. Choose Reset and remove everything to fully wipe the console. Make that choice deliberately because it affects reinstall time. If the console won't boot, use an Xbox USB recovery drive. Otherwise, you finish by signing back into your Microsoft account and reinstalling games from My Games and Apps. This restores licenses and cloud saves automatically. Make sure to install any system updates when prompted so your Xbox runs smoothly, and reconnect controllers and accessories only after updates finish. If the reset stalls or the console loops, try a full power cycle, disconnect external storage, or perform a USB recovery using a formatted flash drive and the Xbox recovery image. This fixes most persistent boot failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.